Hi everyone. Today I am going to take class for grade 3. Okay. If you are able to identify what is this, able to guess? Yes, this is a broom. Okay. We see broom in our home. Other than our home, where you see this broom? If you have any guess? Yes, we seen this broom in movie Harry Potter. Harry Potter they will fly through this broom. If you seen Harry Potter, yes. If you not seen means you go and see today. See this broom. This is a magical broom. Okay. Today we are going to see lesson about this broom. The name of the lesson is Billy Woo learns to make friends. Okay. In this story, it was a Halloween. Okay. Halloween in the sense that is a festival. Every October 31 they celebrate this festival in moon. Okay. For that festival, all the witches they dressed up like magically. Okay, they comically they will dress up and scarily they will dress up and went to that party. Okay, like this they are going to Halloween. All the witches are getting ready for that party. Witches in the sense மந்திரவாதிகள். மந்திரவாதி சொல்லுவோம், மேஜிக் மேன்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம்ல, அவங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு மந்திரம் பண்ணி தானே நம்மளை வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறாங்க, என்ஜாய் பண்ண வைக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ லைக் தட் witches in the sense மந்திரவாதி. ஓகேவா? விமன். witches in the sense women, witch women. Okay, they are getting ready for that party. Okay, here there is a one girl. The name of that girl is Willy Woo. Okay, she is a little witch girl. She also very excited to go that party. So she went to his closet. Okay, closet in the sense cupboard. Okay, he went to that to open the cupboard. Just open to take the broom. ஓகேவா? இந்த ப்ரூம் வந்து அவங்க அந்த கபோர்டுக்குள்ளே வச்சுருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அந்த ப்ரூம் எடுக்கிறதுக்காண்டி she went to that cupboard and opened. After opening, there is a thousands of mice came out from that cupboard. Mice in the sense எலி. ஓகேவா? சின்ன சின்ன எலியா ஒரு thousands எலி வந்து அந்த கபோர்டுக்குள்ளேருந்து வெளியே வருது. தட் broom was fully damaged. Okay, the leaves, the feathers இருக்குல்ல, அந்த feathers ஃபுல்லாக வந்து damage பண்ணிடுச்சு. Now what happened? Little witch girl, she can't fly. Okay, about the rooftop கூட she can't fly. So like that much that broom was damaged. So now what happened? Little witch girl is crying. That means Willy Woo is crying because she is excited to, she is very desired to go to that party, but without broom she can't fly. So what happened? Now what she is doing? She went to the old witch broom maker. Okay, broom maker, old broom maker, one man is there. She went to that man to ask him to make the broom for her. So she went to that man and asked, please if you make me the broom to fly to the moon, like that she is asking to that old man. For that man is explaining, sorry, I can't because I didn't have that broom feathers. So on the leaves, I didn't have the leaves to make the broom. Like that little that man, old man is explaining to her. So she is very upset. Okay, she is crying. What can I do? I won't like to miss that party. Like that she is explaining. So that old man also saying, if you bring the broom leaves, I will make you a broom. Like that he is explaining, and he said, little witch, that means Willy Woo, to go and get feather leaves in willow tree. Go and ask to the leaves to the willow tree, like that grandpa, that old man is saying. So what Williwu is saying, I don't know the willow tree. How can I speak to it? Like that she is asking to the old witch man, okay, broom maker. So for that, broom maker is saying, it's up to you, Williwu. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. Okay, what he is saying, எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் நீ வந்து அந்த ப்ரூம் கொண்டுட்டு வரையோ, லீவ்ஸ் கொண்டுட்டு வரையோ, I will make you a broom, otherwise you can't go to the moon for that party, like that old man is explaining. So what the Williwu said, all right, I go and ask to the willow tree, that like she said, and she went to the willow tree and introducing herself, I am Williwu, I am coming from here, so I need your leaves to make the broom, like that she is explaining to the willow tree. So willow tree, weakly he is explaining, he is very weak, that tree is very weak, and it is explaining, I didn't have, see my tree, I didn't have any feathers because well stopped to pour water for me, so I am very weak. If I want to give you a leaf, you go and ask to the well to give me a water. If the well give water, I will grow the new leaves and I will give to you, like that willow tree is explaining to the Williwu. Now she is crying, Williwu is crying, how can I go and ask to the well, I don't know the well, like that she is explaining to the willow tree. So for that willow tree, what it is saying, it's up to you, Williwu, this is something you must do, otherwise you should not able to go to the moon, like that willow tree is explaining to the Williwu. So now what happened, there is no chance to go, so she must go and ask to the well. So what the Williwu said, okay, I will go and ask to the well. Now he is going to see the well. Well means kinaru, okay ma'am. He went near the well. Now she is saying, I am Williwu, I am coming from here, I want a broom to fly to the moon, my broom is damaged because of mice, so I can't fly to the moon. So that old man said, if you bring the willow tree only, I will make you a broom, like that he say, no. So she is explaining all these things to the well. If you give water to the willow tree means only it will give some fresh leaves to me, so then only I able to prepare my broom, like that she is explaining to the well. So what happened, the well was closed with the stone, there is a big storm once, so that time what happened, the big stone come and put on that well மேல வந்து அந்த பெரிய ஸ்டோன் வந்து போட்டு ஃபுல்லா அந்த கிணறையே மூடிடுச்சு. So well also it can't give water to the willow tree. Okay, that stone is well is explaining his weakness. Okay, இதனால தான் என்னால வந்து குடிக்க முடியல, தண்ணி குடிக்க முடியல, like that it is explaining. So well ask Williwu to if you take the stone only, I will flow water to the willow tree, so please help me to take the stone, like that it is saying. So what Williwu is saying, he is using some he is spelling some which words in the sense, இந்த மந்திரம் சொல்லிலாம் ஒரு ஏதாவது தூக்க முடியல வைக்க முடியலனா செய்வாங்களா, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி she also using some which words to take that stone, but அந்த stone வந்து கொஞ்சம் கூட நகரவே இல்லை. So what happened, Williwu is crying. Okay, அந்த கண்ணீர் வந்து அந்த ஸ்டோன் மேலே விழுகுது. So that time only the stone is saying, you go to the Valerie to ask help, like that stone is saying, Valerie, okay, she is a girl, what Will is saying. So what Willie was saying, I don't know her. How can I go and speak to her? I don't know where is she. So how can I go and speak to her like that? Willie is explaining to the well. So well is saying, up to the hill there is a thatch house. Thatch house in the sense the house is fully made of straw and hay. இந்த வைக்கோல் வச்சு அந்த கூரை வச்சு கூரை வீடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வீடு வந்து ஹில் மலைக்கு மேலே வந்து ஒரு வீடு இருக்கு. So there only the Valerie is living. So you go and ask help to her. Definitely she will help you. Like that the well is saying to the Willie. Okay. So Willie is again she is asking to the well, if they help me. Like that he is asking. Yes, friends always help us. Like that well said to the Willie. So next what happened? Willie went to the hill, the thatched house to meet the Valerie. So he go and knocking the door. The Valerie came out. She is explaining all the things to the Valerie. So I want to go to that party to the moon. So these are the problems. So if you come and help me only, I will able to fly through to the moon. Like that she is explaining. So Valerie said okay. Here what the Valerie is explaining, you and me, we can't solve this problem. Can I, if you don't mind, if we get help from my friends, like that she is asking. So Willie is asking if they help us, like that he is asking. Yes, friends are help us. Friends are there to help us. Like that Valerie is explaining to the Willie. So Valerie, Willie and the Valerie's 7 friends, okay, were children, 7 children followed the Valerie. They all went to the well and they take the big stone from upon the well. Now that they take the stone, and then what happened? The well flow the water to the willow tree, and that willow after the few days willow tree give leaves. Okay, the new branches leaves on the willow tree gave. Okay, next what happened? Willie take that collected all that leaves and went and gave to the broom maker. And the old broom maker avangita kondu poi kodutittu that man made the long broom. The broom வந்து ரொம்ப பிக் broom. Before he didn't ever make that broom. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் வந்து அவ்வளோ பெரிய broom வந்து மேக் பண்ணதே இல்லை. ஸோ அவ்வளோ பெரிய broom மேக் பண்ணி ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி லாங். So at last what happened? He made the broom. Willie invited all his friends as well as the broom maker. Okay, all his 7 friends, Valerie and Willie, all they are flying through that broom to the moon. Okay, he enjoyed a lot. Now Willie is very happy because without friends she can't do anything. Now she learned the Lord with தனியா இருக்கிறது வந்து தப்பு. We have to make friends. Like that he realized. Now she is having many friends as well as she is very happy. Okay, I hope you all understand this lesson. Okay, let me ask question. Okay, what is this? This is a witch broom. Very good. Okay, what are all the character we see in this lesson? Yes, witches, a little witch girl. What is the name of that girl? Yes, Willie. Okay, what is the girl who lived in thatch house? Yes, the name of that girl is Valerie. How many friends the Valerie have? Yes, she have 7 friends. Okay, very good. I hope you all understand this lesson. Go through this lesson, read all the meanings, all those things. That's all about this lesson. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.